got, why is this plane so loud? Oh my god. Wait, oh, it's a helicopter. Interrupting my video. But yeah, I got an agent. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Darcy, aka Chikezie, and I thought what better way to kick this back off than with a vlog. So here I am. I'm out at the park right now. I'm actually waiting on my friend to show up to do a video shoot, and he has a drone, so it's supposed to, you know, be really cool, and I'm really excited about it. And the weather actually is like perfect for that. So before I get into all that, I'm gonna just tell y'all where I've been and why I haven't been making videos. So basically, ooh, that Fenty is hitting, okay? Rihanna, I owe you my life, okay? I was using the wrong shade for a little while, or maybe it was like the seasons, I got lighter or something, but I went lighter a shade and it is just epic. Like, is it not? Come on, you guys, look at this. Like, it's crazy. But seriously, I hate it when YouTube one day just sent me an email and was like, basically, we're snatching your coins. They told me that even though I had already reached the point to get you know, sponsored views and ads on my videos and stuff, because I didn't have enough subscribers, they were in enough like view time per minute, they were snatching all of that. So I thought it was just kind of unfair that I earned that, because they don't just give it to you. I had already earned that and then it was taken away from me. So I thought that was kind of unfair, and it kind of turned me off from YouTube for a while, because I'm like, I wasn't even trying to make no money on YouTube in the first place. Like, I just enjoyed it, but it made me feel like some type of way. Basically, there's not even too much that I can say besides it made me feel some type of way. And due to that, I kind of stopped making videos for a while, and only videos I've been posting were just basically my I was taking a production class at college, and those are some stuff I would post like for my assignments and stuff. And I got a lot better at editing, you guys. I'm pretty excited about that. Oh, I got a text. That might be him. Let's see. Yeah, that's him. So we're gonna continue this talk. We're gonna continue this talk after I don't know why I can't text and talk at the same time, but we're gonna continue this talk after you see what me and him have planned. So stay tuned. So like I was saying, you guys, basically YouTube tried to play me. So I stopped making videos for a little while because I felt that was really unfair, and I didn't have my camera, and I was in school trying to finish my last semester up, and it was just not a game. So I kind of just took a break from doing everything extra, including working, to get my life together. And now I have graduated. In this time since y'all see me, I know I told you guys I was trying to get my life together as an actress. I got, why is this plane so loud? Oh my god. Wait, oh, it's a helicopter. Interrupting my video. But yeah, I got an agent. Her name is Ashton. I'm with a boutique agency called Ava Talent. I'm really excited about that. I've only been signed for like a month and a half. I've gotten so many like huge auditions. I haven't booked anything yet, but it's only a matter of time as I get better and work on the self-tapes, because basically everything is self-tapes. And I'll make another video talking about that later. It's another day, another topic. But yeah, we out here at the park, and we're we're gonna get a shoot going. We got this drone. It's gonna be lit. I'm excited. So that's what we're doing today. Make sure I look like a person. All right, so what you need me to do?
I'm on a trip like that. I saw my neck, I saw my wrist. I got a drip, I got a drip.
Okay. Look at this. Look at the drone. Where is it? We're trying to get this together. So, the drone fell pretty early in shooting and my camera died. I thought it was charged. I'm kind of annoyed, but we went to CVS and got some tape and some super glue and we made it work. We nigga rigged this drone, so we was able to get our shots that we needed. And now I'm on my iPhone. I only have like 3%. It's just everything's dying. I don't know what's going on, but it's going pretty well. And I'm excited. I was like, I should still document this because that's like a good part of this vlog. Like, so yeah, I'll check back in. Okay, I guess since there's not a lot of light, this is the best we're gonna do. I tried to record what happened on my phone after my camera died, but I'm just gonna call this a bust. Okay, it's a fail because I hate indoor lighting. I hate fluorescent lighting without having, you know, proper lighting. So I'm just gonna call this the end of the vlog. I ended up explaining what happened. I got some wings, I got some fish, towed up, and now I'm back to my room. I'm gonna keep writing my web series. That'll be in the next vlog. Probably do it tomorrow when y'all can get some good lighting. So thanks for tuning in and watching. This is your girl, Darcy Cleopatra. Subscribe, please, because I've said this before, so y'all shouldn't even trust me at this point. But you should subscribe anyway because it's free and I'm not lying this time. Like, I really don't have anything else going on but to work on my craft. And to me, this is a part of my craft. I have a day job. I'm starting next week. I'll talk about it tomorrow. But until then, hit the subscribe button. See you guys later. Peace out.